Everyone's been close to bursting waiting for NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 40 series graphics cards, and the wait is nearly over until you can get your mitts on one. NVIDIA announced their impressive lineup at GTC, and you can buy yours from October the 12th. But if you simply cannot wait to get a glimpse of these cards in all their beauty, then you're in luck, as ASUS have kindly given us two of the top of the stack 4090 cards to unbox and show you. I have got the best card that money can buy here. This is the ASUS ROG STRIX GeForce RTX 4090 and the also super impressive TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 4090. So let's get these open and treat your eyes to some seriously hot GPU goodness. Let's start with the ROG STRIX. This one has been designed for ultra high resolutions or super fast refresh rates with cooling as its top priority. So let's get in. Let's get it out. This is exciting. The box feels really premium. You've of course got the ASUS logos on there. Let's get it out. This is a momentous occasion. Very exciting and always harder to unbox on camera than it looks, but there you go. It's pretty meaty. It weighs a fair bit, but look at that. So there it is, looking beautiful, and as I say, it weighs quite a bit. I'll pop that to the side, go back into the box, and if I take out this padding, right there. In here we should have our cables and manual. Okay, so back to the card. Let's have a proper look now. If we take off these sticky bits here, I can show you what it looks like. So there you go, your first look at the ASUS ROG STRIX RTX 4090. It is a beaut. Aesthetically, this is gorgeous. These red and blue accents here, amazing. You've of course got all the branding here on the front. You can see that when that catches the light. I'll turn it around here. You've got here GeForce RTX, of course, written all over it. And on the side here as well, Republic of Gamers logo. And I can't stress to you just how meaty this card is. Of course, it packs some serious power. This is going to be a very popular card here from ASUS. So let's talk you through those all-important specs. So with the ROG STRIX RTX 4090, ASUS have rebuilt the heatsink design from the ground up. It's got a new vapor channel and 30% more surface area for heat dissipation than the previous generation ROG STRIX GeForce RTX 3090. ASUS have also upgraded the Axial Tech fans with a thicker design featuring 7 blades and full barrier rings that provide 23.8% more airflow and 19.3% more pressure than the previous generation fans. It's a 3.5 slot design, and it consists of a die-cast metal frame shroud and that backplate measuring 357mm, and of course you get all that delicious RGB that you'd expect with this card. As you can see, this is an absolute beauty. It's got a slick design with awesome features, and this is going to be seriously popular. It adds in mill channels underneath the heat pipes, allowing more heat to efficiently transfer to the 4 8mm and 3 6mm heat pipes and travel to the heatsink fins. As I say, this has got a big focus on cooling. So an absolute beaut. Our 3XS team have just popped in. I'm going to stick this back in the box because this is about to go into a brand new shiny 3XS system. So let's get that boxed up now. So now it's time to unbox this TUF Gaming RTX 4090. Let's check it out. So there you go, this is the TUF Gaming RTX 4090. Aesthetically looks a little bit different to the Strix that we've just seen, and it's slightly thicker too. We'll go through all the specs in just a minute, but first of all, let's take a look what else comes in the box. So as I said, this is slightly thicker than its ROG sibling at 3.65 slots, and the TUF model measures a little bit shorter at 348mm for wider case compatibility. It's got excellent performance, cooling and power management. It looks great as well. This is more of a black design here, as you can see. It's got a unibody shroud with aluminium backplate, and again, it's got that redesigned cooling with a new vapor channel. Whilst it doesn't use the same mill design as its Strix sibling, it has got 8 heat pipes, 5 8mm and 3 6mm, giving you a huge leap in cooling potential with 35% more contact area compared to the TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 3090. Another great choice for those of you who are bursting to get your hands on a 4090. I'll just show you around it a little bit more. Take these off. You can see here on the fans, some cool branding. We've got the GeForce RTX logo there. TUF Gaming in the corner, turn it around and you can see the GeForce RTX. Just another beautifully designed card that no doubt will earn itself a legion of fans. Let's check out though how our 3XS team are getting on with the ROG Strix version in that beautiful new shiny 3XS system. So Lewis from 3XS is here now. We did promise you that we'd have a 3XS system to show. It's almost made, just one final step, that epic 4090 card. So Lewis, do you want to do the honours?
Absolutely.
So Lewis, the card, it's got quite a bit of weight to it, this one, hasn't it?
It does. Thankfully, ASUS provide an anti-sag bracket for the GPU, so that should help prevent any sagging over long-term use with the card.
Nice work, Lewis. So are we ready to power it on?
Yeah, absolutely.
Let's turn it on and see it in all its glory. Looks awesome. Lewis, thank you very much. You better get yourself back to 3XS because I know you've got loads of these ready to build for launch day.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
So if you want to get hold of your own RTX 4090 card or any of the 40 series cards, or indeed you want a pre-built 3XS system, then we've linked all the relevant pages in the description for you.